SXSN6P01 Air Sander Review. Smooth, powerful, and ultra comfortable. Struggling with tools that feel heavier than your projects? Drop a comment if you've faced that frustrating wobble or inconsistent sanding pattern. Your hands deserve relief, and your surfaces deserve perfection. Imagine sliding a sander across wood, metal, or auto panels effortlessly, where precision meets comfort. This is where the SXSN6P01 transforms work into satisfaction rather than strain. Long hours, endless surfaces, and uneven finishes can make any sanding session exhausting. Now picture a sander that adapts to your rhythm, providing consistent speed and flawless results without taxing your hands or focus. The SXSN6P01 combines lightweight ergonomics with whisper-quiet operation, letting you take control, stay productive, and enjoy the process instead of dreading it. The SUNEX SXSN6P01 is a professional-grade 6-inch pneumatic random orbital sander engineered for precision and comfort. Its 3/16 of an inch orbital stroke ensures swirl-free finishes at speeds up to 11,000 revolutions per minute, perfect for fine sanding tasks. The lightweight 2.78 pounds body and compact 7.75-inch length allow seamless maneuvering in tight spaces, while integrated wrist support reduces fatigue during extended sessions. Kevlar-impregnated rotor blades extend tool life by 50%, maximizing durability for daily use. The quiet muffler design operates at only 81.2 decibels A, reducing noise while maintaining airflow efficiency. Dust extraction is simplified with a standard 5/8 inch, 11 threads per inch, threaded port, keeping your workspace clean and health-friendly. The ergonomic palm grip design enhances control, letting you glide across vertical panels, curves, and edges effortlessly. Its variable speed paddle provides customized control, adapting instantly to different materials and finishing requirements. Professionals highlight its consistent material removal and smooth finish as game-changing for woodworking, automotive, and metal projects. One user shared how this sander allowed perfect feathering on body filler without hand strain. Stick around for a bonus tip on optimizing airflow for maximum dust collection and flawless surfaces every time. The SXSN6P01 isn't just another sander. It's a workflow revolution. Covering more surface area with its 6-inch pad, it reduces repetitive passes, saving time and energy while maintaining control. The 3/16 of an inch random orbit keeps finishes smooth, eliminating swirl marks that frustrate even experienced users. Professionals consistently report reduced fatigue thanks to the integrated wrist support and ergonomic palm grip, which keeps hands comfortable through long sanding sessions. The ball-bearing construction ensures consistent performance, and the Kevlar-reinforced rotor blades mean this sander can endure continuous heavy-duty use. The muffler design minimizes sound without sacrificing power, while the air consumption efficiency balances speed and control. Users highlight the dust port as essential, improving visibility and health during extended projects. One pro commented, "This sander transformed my workflow, precision, speed, and comfort all in one tool." Another added, "From vertical panels to tight corners, it handles every challenge effortlessly." The compact 7.75-inch body allows smooth maneuvering, even in cramped workspaces. Whether it's furniture refinishing, automotive bodywork, or delicate woodworking, this sander delivers unmatched consistency. Which feature excites you most? Quiet operation, fatigue reduction, or swirl-free finishes? Comment below. Thousands of craftsmen, hobbyists, and shop owners are already transforming projects with the SXSN6P01. Upgrade your sanding game with the SXSN6P01 and join professionals who've achieved flawless surfaces with less effort. Lightweight, quiet, and designed for longevity, it outperforms pricier competitors while prioritizing user comfort. Click now to discover the bonus tip for optimizing dust collection, making cleanup effortless, and improving final results. Whether working on wood, metal, or automotive panels, this sander is built to handle intense sessions without hand fatigue. Transform your workflow today and experience precision, speed, and consistency like never before.